of time agglutinins start appearing. Now why and how these agglutinins appear? These agglutinins mostly they are of IgM and IgG type. ये जो एंटीबॉडीज हैं इनके अंदर IgM और IgG टाइप्स की होती हैं। तो कैसे पैदा हो सकती हैं ये agglutinins? It has been postulated, rather it has been observed that these antigens, small amounts of type A and type B antigens continually enter into the body of the individuals. How? Through food, through bacteria, in other ways, these antigens may get entry into the body of the baby, into the body of the individuals, and into all individuals. These antigens enter into the body in many ways, by like through the air, through the food, through the bacteria, etc. They may have these type of antigens, and as you know that against these self antigens, no antibodies are produced. So, if the person is having blood group A, and the type A antigen manages to enter into the body through bacteria, through food, etc., but there will be no antibodies will be formed. No antibodies will be formed because due to immunotolerance. Similarly, for B, no B agglutinins, anti-B agglutinins will be formed in the individuals due to immunotolerance. But the other form of antibodies, like if a person is having blood group A and blood group B antigens enter into the body of that individual, so then anti B agglutinins will be formed in that person, so, and vice versa for the other blood group. यानी कि अगर blood group A है तो blood group A antigens अगर enter होती हैं तो उनके against antibodies नहीं बनेंगी क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो self antigens हैं बॉडी की। तो लेकिन बी अगर एंटर होती है उसके अंदर बी एंटीजन, तो बी एंटीजन जो है वो सेल्फ एंटीजन नहीं है, देयरफॉर बी एग्लूटिनिन्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड इन दीस इंडिविजुअल्स। सो अगर ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप है तो ए में बी एंटीबॉडीज बॉडीज प्रोड्यूस हो जाएंगी, एंटी बी एंटीबॉडीज, और अगर ब्लड ग्रुप बी है तो एंटी ए एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस हो जाएंगी। एंड इफ द ब्लड ग्रुप इज ओ, बोथ एंटी ए एंड एंटी बी एंटीबॉडीज और एग्लूटिनिन्स विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन दीस इंडिविजुअल्स। And in AB blood groups, as both the antigens are present, both A and B are the self antigens, therefore no antibodies system will be produced because both are self antigens. These substances initiate the development of the anti-A and anti-B agglutinins. Please ask the questions at the end of the lecture. I will give you 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, ये तो हो गया ए बी ओ ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम का। आपको समझ लगी ना कि एंटीजन है ए बी ओ में 3 टाइप की एलील्स हैं, ओ है, ए है और बी है। ओ जो है ऑलमोस्ट इट इज फंक्शनलेस, देयरफॉर इट विल नॉट गिव राइट टू एनी टाइप ऑफ एग्लूटिनोजेंस, सो उसके अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस नहीं होंगी। लेकिन ए और बी दे आर एक्टिव एंड दे कैन प्रोड्यूस, ए एंड बी एलील्स कैन प्रोड्यूस anti-agglutinogens or antigens, and antibodies will be produced against these antigens. But in the RH blood group, remember RH blood type is another blood group type in addition to the ABO blood group. अलग-अलग 2 systems हैं जो कि important हैं clinically. Now in the RH blood types there are 3 pairs of RH antigens or RH factors. Which are, you can see here, C capital, C small, D capital, D small, E capital and E small. So there are about 3 pairs or 6 type of antigens, 3 pairs of RH antigens may be present in the individuals. ये 3 pairs होते हैं लेकिन इनमें से एक ही एक इंडिविजुअल में जाएगा। You know, either the person will receive capital C or small c, or similarly either capital D or small d, either capital E or small e. So if but in these so a person may have capital C, he will not be having small c antigen. If a person is having small d, he will not be having capital D antigen, and similar for E, capital E and small e. So each person has only one of each pair of the three pairs of antigens. So remember, in these three pairs, the D antigen, the type D antigen is important. Type D antigen can give rise to reactions. And type D, capital D, is widely prevalent in the population, in the American population, in the population of the Asians, etc. In our region. Also, almost 85 to 95% of the population is Rh positive. If type D antigen, capital D, is present, then we will say that the person is Rh positive. And if small d antigen is present, we will say the person is Rh negative. And this type D antigen is antigenic, it is more antigenic, and it can give rise to reactions. So if a person is having blood group A of the ABO system and he is having capital D antigen, then he will be having blood group of A positive. A positive for capital D antigen. And if he is having small d antigen, then he will be A negative, because capital D antigen is not present. Now in this system, in the Rh blood system, spontaneous antibodies do not appear like in the ABO system. हमने देखा था ना कि ABO system में spontaneously with them at 2 to 8 months of age, the antibodies start appearing. If the person is having blood group A, then anti-B antibodies will start appearing, and so on and so forth. But in this Rh blood types, only the antibodies are not present by birth. The antibodies are not present, and the person first may be massively exposed to the Rh antigen for the development of agglutinins. इसके लिए पर्सन को एक्सपोज होना पड़ेगा Rh antigen पर. Then only the antibodies will be produced in that individual. So you follow my point that spontaneous antibodies are not present in the individuals. If a person is Rh negative, then anti-D antibodies will not be present in that individual unless the person is exposed to the Rh positive blood. आपको समझ लग गई होगी कि Rh ब्लड जो है वो अब अगर एक मर्तबा उसको ब्लड लग जाता है, सपोज इफ अ पर्सन इज Rh नेगेटिव एंड ही इज गिवन Rh पॉजिटिव ब्लड, सो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम देयर विल बी नो रिएक्शन, there will be a delayed reaction for a certain period of time, and the antibodies will then appear in that individual. Small number of antibodies will appear, which is called the primary response. And if the person is given a subsequent transfusion of that type of blood, then these antibodies will react with the antigens, and then there will be an antibody reaction. Now we will move to the topic of blood transfusion, because blood transfusion is very important, and all of this we are learning because of the blood transfusion which we have to give to individuals who are in need of blood, who are in shock, who have gone through if there is bleeding to
ABO सिस्टम और RH सिस्टम किसी एक में ही हम मतलब इंडिविजुअल पर्सन के अंदर देखते हैं ना, दोनों मतलब ABO सिस्टम भी और RH फैक्टर सिस्टम भी.
ABO system different type of system, RH system is different type of system. ABO का मैंने बता दिया था कि उनके ब्लड ग्रुप क्या होंगे, A होगा, B होगा या AB होगा. और RH में जो D एंटीजन है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. इफ द कैपिटल D एंटीजन इज प्रेजेंट देन द पर्सन विल बी हैविंग विल बी सेड, उसको कहा जाएगा RH पॉजिटिव. एंड इफ कैपिटल D इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, स्मॉल d इज प्रेजेंट, देन द पर्सन विल बी RH नेगेटिव. अभी तक आप इतना याद रखें, ठीक है. नाउ ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन